In today's video, I will walk you through how to block email senders in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. First, open Gmail and find an email from the sender you want to block. Open the message so you can access the options for that email. Now, look near the top of the message and find the three-dot menu. Click it to open the list of available actions. From the menu, look for the option that says Block, followed by the sender's email address. Click this option. Gmail will display a confirmation asking if you want to block the sender. Select the option to confirm. After you do this, Gmail will block that email address. From now on, new messages from this sender will generally be sent directly to your spam folder. You can also manage the senders you've blocked through Gmail settings. To do this, click the Settings gear icon and select See All Settings. Then open the Filters and Blocked Addresses section. Here, you can see a list of email addresses that you've blocked. If you change your mind about a sender, find their address in the list and select the option to unblock them. If you're receiving unwanted messages from several different addresses, you can repeat the blocking process for each sender. And that's how you can block email senders in Gmail. With just a few clicks, you can stop unwanted messages from appearing in your inbox and have Gmail automatically send future emails from that sender to spam.